The sun sits once upon a time there was a kingdom in animal. It was ruled by a kind and was king. He had no fear. He became old, so he wanted to adopt a child. That child would be the next king. He wanted the person to be honest. He looked for a leader. The king organized a competition for 6 men. He tested the different skills of the children in the kingdom. 5 boys and 5 girls were selected for the final round. The king said our kingdom depends on agriculture. The new leader must know how to grow plants. So the king gave 7 seeds of wheat for each child. He told them to sow the seeds. They would nurture the seeds for 6 weeks. Annie was one among the selected children. She took the seeds home. She took good soil and added manna to it. She sowed the seeds in the soil. She watered it every day, but the seeds did not grow. She was very sad. Her friends advised her some other seeds, but her parents thought to be honest. So she chose to be honest. After 6 weeks, all the children came to the king. They sowed healthy seedlings to the king, but any seeds did not grow. She felt ashamed, but to her surprise, she won the competition. The king said, I gave boiled seeds to grow. Boiled seeds never grow. All others cheated me, but Annie did not do that. The test is for honesty. Annie was honest, and so she became the heir to the king.